Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this video, I will show you how you can create 1 month of Pinterest content in 1 minute. Okay guys, so using AI tools, you will generate Pinterest pin and you can schedule them. So why you should watch this video? Because if you want to grow your Pinterest account and if you want to really make money on Pinterest, using Pinterest, you can start your affiliate marketing business or you can promote your own product. Also, you can grow your own business. I have a Pinterest account. It's called Make Money Work From Home Job Side Hustle Ideas, and it's all about powerful tutorials. My business 0.5k monthly views. It's a small channel, like a small account, and I didn't randomly post. That's the another problem, guys. So if you don't have enough time to create your post like using Canva, all of the design I made using Canva. Okay, it's not pretty good, I know. If you want to start your side hustle, or if you are an entrepreneur, if you want to really grow your business on Pinterest, so this video for you guys. No more delay, so let's get started. And before jumping into the video, if you are new here, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I make videos how you can make money, how you can start your freelancing journey, also how you can start your YouTube business. And you will find lots of playlists. So don't forget to check out my playlist section. Make money with AI, 67 videos over there. Make money on Pinterest, Canva tutorials for beginners, lead generation tools, alright, and the data entry jobs. Those are for especially for student. Alright, so let's jump into our topic. Okay, so today we'll be using a greatest website. It's called pingenerator.com. okay guys, pingenerator.com. just visit this website. It's one of the easiest website. You can generate pins within 1 minute for 1 month. So how we can generate the pin using this website? All right, I will show you the step-by-step process. Okay, so also you can integrate with Pinterest. Obviously it's C, Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Amazon. Also you can boost your engagement, increase website traffic. All right, so create engaging pins. Used to take hours, we have reduced it to seconds. Enter a website URL. So definitely you must have a website. So if you don't have website, so you can create your own website using WordPress or Wix or Squarespace or Shopify. Okay, so I have a blog website. It's called Powerful Tutorials. So let's grab this website URL and let's back to the website pingenerator.com and just enter the website here. All right, and generate pins. All right guys, fantastic. So this is our website URL that I already inputted here. Number of pins to generate 12. You can increase, also you can reduce this, and by default it was 12. And here you go, all the pins over there. It's amazing guys. Okay, so each and every pin you can download, also you can edit, and also you can rearrange all the content. Okay, it's pretty much easier like a Canva. And you can see you can also increase the number. As I said, you can then click on generate. It will generate the again. Also detected sitemaps. So if you don't know sitemaps, maybe it's a website sitemap. Okay, colors and font. You can select the colors and font as well. Also templates, also you can randomly select. Also you can selected your templates, no problem. And brand settings, also you can type your brand name and images. Also the select the URL generated, videos, AI options, zoom in, zoom out. Okay guys, and also you can schedule the pins. So let's edit a one pin, then we can understand very much clearly. So this is one. How much money does Mr. Beast have? So the option is you can pin directly to the Pinterest from here. Also you can schedule. Okay, you can pick a date. Also we can create auto pin and add to catalog item. All right, and the third one is you can download from here and also edit this pin. Okay, also you can rewrite title with AI. Okay, also you can create text prompt, shuffle and duplicate. Also you can log the design and edit the template, and finally you can delete this. Okay, so let's click on edit this pin, and when you click on edit this pin, you have to log in with your Gmail, or if you have already signed up with your Gmail account, you can log in with your Gmail account. So I'm going to sign in with my Gmail account. Okay, all right guys, so this is the editing option. This is the pin title, genuine title from my blog post. And then the pin description, also you can add some more description. So definitely you have to visit your website, and also you can copy the text from your blog post and then you can add into here and then you can paste it here. And image alter, definitely you can copy your blog post and then you can paste it here. And also pin outbound link URL, you don't have to worry about the link, they will automatically collect a link from here, and also the pin image or pin URL text. So everything is perfectly done. So let's click on save. All right, so it's time to download. So as a free account, so let's try to download this. So click on this download pin. Okay, so unlock pinning features with a plan, view plans. So as a student or as a new creator or beginner marketer, so how we can use this as a free? So I have another tricks. Okay, so let's try this. You can select the different templates. So select templates and you will find your templates or share template or favorite. Okay, so let's click on basic template. So I think landscape friendly is perfect, so click on this and then click on save. So I think you can understand the difference between the templates. So I'm going to use a Chrome extension, it's a screen capture, and then click on save. So our image already downloaded. So let's back to the Pinterest and let's see how it's look like our downloaded images. Alright guys, and this is our design. You can see the differences like image quality, but I think it okay to grab this image from here. Okay, as we don't have permission to free download, so how we can use this? I think this is the easiest way you can use this. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this copyright or any problem. Also you can add the website your URL. So it's pretty simple guys, and then you can publish it. So I think this is the one of the easiest way you can make or generate pin from your website or any website. Alright guys, so if you think video is helpful, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. So I will come back with another tutorials. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.